Now this is the Corsair brand new Commander Pro digital RGB lighting and fan speed controller. This is what it looks like when it's brand new. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside in this box. This is the actual brand new Commander Pro unit. This is actually a revised version of the previous Commander Pro. We had a lot of problems with the previous Commander Pro unit. You can connect this device by SATA connector here, and using this USB connector you can control the Commander Pro by Corsair iQ software. So in this actual unit you have two USB connectors here, because you're gonna be occupied one USB connector on your motherboard. So because of that, Corsair provided you two slots over here. You can connect any other USB 3.0 connectors here, and also you get 4 slots of temperature control sensors. These temperature controls included inside this box. What you can do is connect them temperature sensors, and you can place them in your motherboard and in your components, behind your components, to monitor your temperature of your computer parts. And also you can connect 6 RGB fans for this unit. Also you have 2 RGB. You can connect Corsair Node Pro here, as well as directly connect. You can connect Corsair lighting strips to the Commander Pro. And if you don't know how to use this, how to set up this Commander Pro, click on the link up here. I have done a thorough in detail guide how to set up the Commander Pro to your computer and operate using Corsair iQ software. So let's see what's underneath here. You got Commander Pro user manual. If you don't want to go through with the YouTube videos, here's in writing, and the warranty cards. Also you have the thermal sensors, the sensors I was talking about earlier. You can connect these sensors to the Commander Pro here and place this sensor wherever you want inside the casing, so you can monitor the heat of your components. These are the extensions for your fans. These are the extensions for your LED strips. So that's all inside the box, guys. And if you want to purchase this unit, I have put the link down below on the description. If you click on that link, it will direct you to the Amazon website. Because I'm introducing this product to you, I will get the commission from Amazon. There's no price difference. It's an affiliate link. So as a help, you can click on the link, go ahead and buy from Amazon. There's no difference with the prices. Anywhere you go, maybe cheaper than anywhere else. So guys, until I bring you another video, I will see you soon.